These creators are successfully making $100,000 to $200,000 per month by showcasing their AI business or an AI agency to people and breaking down how to make them and by teaching online. Let's see how you can do this too. Hi, I'm Adi, and today we are going to understand how to make $100,000 per month by teaching people how to start an AI agency or an AI business. Firstly, let's talk about the opportunity. What's the opportunity? AI is in its prime right now, and this is going to be the longest prime ever, right? It's going to change, iterate over time, and this is your chance to get in. If you already run a successful AI business or an agency, you are sitting on a gold mine of knowledge. Thousands of people want to start their AI businesses and AI agencies but don't know how to. Like a calling agency or a sales agent or an entertain agent, whatever it is, thousands of people want to do that because it's sellable, scalable, and everything that you need to do is already present and structured with the help of AI, as you guys know. So, people with proven AI business skills, in this case, you, people who want to start and learn, create a very unique position for you to fill in that is a high ticket mentorship opportunity for people. Why you should be teaching online, why you should be a guru, I hate that word, but yeah, why you should be a mentor to others, because you already have the results, you can mentor others to get paid high ticket, and it's not about being a guru, it's about being a practitioner who teaches. And it's a simple strategy: run an AI agency, document your journey, teach others, and monetize with high ticket coaching. You don't show anything else, right? You just show what you are doing in your daily life, your plans, and what you're trying to do, how you're closing clients, how you're building something with AI agents, whatever you are doing, right? Document your journey, teach others how to do it, and then monetize with high ticket coaching. All these creators that I just talked about, Carson Reed, Jordan Lee, Liam Evans, again John Lee on Instagram, are doing this successfully. As you can see right now, Carson Reed has started a few months ago and he reached 10K subscribers, and he's teaching. He doesn't get a lot of views because this is what he's targeting. He's targeting a micro niche, a hyper niche, where he's not talking to everyone. He's talking to a few people who genuinely want help solving a very specific problem for very specific people. And he's doing that. And this is resulting him to make $100,000 on top of whatever he's making with his AI agency. Right? He has a one-on-one call. As if I click a video, right, and we go down, if book a game plan to call with me and help you start and scale your own $100,000 per month AI agency, you click that, you go to a form. Right now you answer a few questions, get a call booked, and then this is exactly what you can do with your own set of skills. Monetize it properly, bring in more money, right? Same with Jordan Lee, he's doing the same. He documents journeys, he explores companies, and a lot of other stuff, right? So a lot of other videos. Watch me make $37,000 per day using AI. All these videos are working great for him and making him a lot of money. Same, Jordan Lee on Instagram. Instagram is his main audience. He posts he posts a lot of valuable content, case studies, and a lot of other stuff on Instagram, and funnels his audience. Same process, just with ear, right? And they are doing this across all platforms, and a lot of creators are getting into it, right? So in this video, I'll break down the most simple yet effective funnel for you to do the same. Firstly, let's get something abundantly clear. You don't need complex funnels or fancy websites. You don't need that. You just need a simple three-step system, which is the core of every business: traffic, leads, sales. Now, how will you get traffic? The traffic will be from the big three: YouTube, whiteboard teaching videos, no edits, just like I'm doing right now. Each video acts as a free training VSL and aims to build trust and showcase authority. This is what we call the hyper niche advantage. A lot of creators, a lot of businesses, a lot of founders, and a lot of business owners or coaches are coming on YouTube and trying to create small YouTube channels, not big. They are trying to target a specific group of people. They don't talk to everyone. They talk to one person with one big problem and own one corner of the internet deeply. So, specific problem for one specific person creates your hyper niche zone to fill. This is where you come in. This is where your expertise lies in, where you don't need a lot of people. You don't need views. You can make money with 500 views, 3,000 views, whatever you want. Views don't matter in this scenario, but value does. So you provide value to your YouTube, then Instagram, Reels, high value lifestyle, value plus trust, right? Stories, daily Q&As, behind the scenes testimonials, mini trainings like Jordan Lee is doing right here. He talks about his stories, talks about what he's doing with his AI agency, and a lot of other stuff. And then carousals, educational, hyper niche focused, and problem solving, right? Like here is an example that Jordan Lee does. Here is an example of how Jordan Lee does it, right? He has simple carousals, Park wants to simple concept, and yeah, carousals like these work really well. Education, hyper niche focused in whatever you're trying to sell in the AI space, problem solving. Then you use shoutouts using small niche pages to buy attention and gain followers fast. Niche pages like these make people a lot of money. These have more than 2.5 million followers. There are a lot of niche pages, especially in the AI sector, that has 100k followers, 200k, 300k, 2.5 million, and evolve. You and they sell their shoutouts $50, $100. You buy those shoutouts and you get featured on their page and you make money using their attention and whatever they have to say. A lot of creators are doing these, right? And then TikTok, short form content, value content, behind the scenes of your agency work. You reuse reels with minor tweaks, whatever you can do to gain the maximum attention possible in the long run, right? Then, how do you turn your attention into sales? Firstly, let your content do the selling even before you get on a call. Even before there is a sales call in the picture, your content does all the selling. Use stories, pinned comments to direct to applications or DMs like people are doing right now. Comment the word link, comment the word AI. Use all that, to get people directly into our DMs. Let people binge watch or binge read your content to build desire and trust. The more they observe your content, the more they are likely to buy from you in the long run. Now, the most important thing, how do you build trust? Firstly, hyper niche YouTube content. Like I just said, small YouTube channels, less number of views, targeting less number of people, create a lot of trust, right? Mini trainings in those YouTube videos, reels, very high value focus, like we just discussed, testimonials of how your businesses have helped people, right? Q&As of what you're doing, how you're doing it, small over the top questions, and then use this trust to get people to book a call or get in their DMs. The sales calls will feel like follow ups and not just direct cold pitches, and it will help you close more in the end. Now, a simple closing mechanism, keeping it very, very simple. This model is built for scale but also for simplicity. Don't need webinars, funnels, or add to starts. You just need proof, value, and a process that works, a way to invite people into it. You provide value, you build trust, and you create an authority doing it. Here lies your $100,000 coaching business opportunity. Now, what should your offer look like? Your offer should only be high ticket if you are starting initially. Later, you can diverge into a bunch of different things like communities and stuff, but initially, only high ticket membership. No low ticket, no courses, just one on one. Why this works? You are already giving insane value upfront: content, YouTube, IG. Trust is already built, they already know who you are before they hop on a call. High intent is always important than high volume. Clients pay $2,000 to $10,000 for access, guidance, and speed, and even more. Right? A lot of people are doing that, as I already showed you. Carson is doing this. Carson Reed, consistent value, niche channel. $150,000 per month. Jordan, Instagram focused, value packed stories, DMs, authorities. Uh, right, he is doing $200,000 per month because he both has Instagram and YouTube. You can leverage both, or you can just go deep on YouTube. YouTube hyper niche channels are doing great right now. Highly, highly recommended. Now, let's get something clear. What's the purpose of your content? The purpose of your content is to build trust, show your system, educate and motivate, show lifestyle and real behind the scenes, pre-frame your offer even before they hop on a call. Your content does 90% of the selling. So you don't have to do that on the call, keeping things awkward, people not understanding. They already understand what you have to offer and then they come to you, right? Using whatever I just told, you scale this system without burning out. Scale smart, not busy. Start with one-on-one mentorship, get clients, build authority and testimonials, build your delivery process. Then scale to group coaching, recorded modules, hire closers, community platforms for school, etc. Once you have a good amount of following, subscribers, etc. Automate your traffic and funnel. YouTube content, evergreen lead generation, IG reels and carousels, consistent traffic, TikTok, trend hacking, reach, Calendly or DM to call. Simple funnel, no webinar, no crazy automations. You get results in the end and help the people watching you get results in the end. Right. So this is the complete system that you can use to scale effectively. Now, if you want to work with me to build and scale your coaching business to $100,000 per month, book a call from the link in the description and let's see you there. Bye bye.